Hello, everyone. I'm Alice. Today, I want to share with you a simple, peaceful day in my life. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand me easily. I hope you will enjoy spending this time with me. Let's begin. I wake up at 6 o'clock. The room is quiet. Only the soft sound of birds singing outside my window. The first thing I do is open the curtains. The morning light comes into my room, and I take a deep breath. It feels fresh, calm, and full of new possibilities. I go to the kitchen. The floor feels cool under my feet. I make myself a cup of hot tea. The smell of tea fills the room, and I take a small sip. The warmth spreads through my hands and my body. This is my quiet moment before the busy day begins. After that, I freshen up, wash my face, and get ready for the day. My children, Daniel and Lily, are still in their rooms. I walk to Daniel's room first, gently touching his shoulder. Good morning. Time to get up, I say with a smile. Then, I go to Lily's room, open her curtains, and she slowly opens her eyes. I go to the kitchen and start making breakfast for my kids and my husband. Today, it's scrambled eggs, golden toast, and a little fruit. The smell of breakfast fills the air. The kids sit at the table, still sleepy but smiling. My husband drinks his coffee while reading the morning news. At 8 o'clock, my husband leaves for work. The kids put on their school bags, shoes on, and jackets zipped. I walk them to the door and say, "Have a great day." They wave goodbye, and I watch them leave. When the house is quiet again, I go to the kitchen to clean up. I wash the dishes, one by one, until they shine. I wipe the counters and sweep the floor. The sound of the broom is the only sound in the house. Then, I clean the rest of the home, dusting the shelves, arranging things neatly, and making every room look fresh and welcoming. At lunchtime, I start to feel a little hungry. I make a simple lunch just for myself. Today, it's warm vegetable soup and a small sandwich with fresh bread. The house is completely quiet. Only the ticking of the clock on the wall. I sit down, take my time, and enjoy my meal slowly. It's nice to have this peaceful moment just for me. After lunch, I check what things are finished in the house. I open the fridge and the pantry. I see that we need fresh vegetables, sweet fruits, bread, and eggs. I also add chocolate cookies for the kids, because they love them so much. I smile to myself, thinking how happy they will be when they see them. I get ready to go to the market. It's small and close to my house, so I enjoy walking there. When I arrive, the colorful stalls are full of fresh food. I pick red tomatoes, crisp green beans, and bright orange carrots. I also choose bananas and apples, their sweet smell filling the air. For dinner, I buy fresh chicken and a bag of rice. And yes, the cookies for Daniel and Lily. I go to the cash counter, greet the shopkeeper, and pay the bill. Then, I walk back home, the shopping bag in my hand, feeling satisfied with my work. At home, I put away the groceries and start preparing dinner. The smell of onions and spices fills the kitchen. At 5 o'clock, I hear the sound of the front door. The kids come home from school. They drop their bags on the floor and run to hug me tightly. I laugh and say, "Okay, okay. Go wash your hands first." Their voices fill the house with energy. A little later, my husband comes home, tired but smiling. We all sit together for dinner. We eat, talk, and share stories about our day. These are moments I truly treasure. After dinner, the kids play in the living room. Their laughter makes the room feel warm. Sometimes, we all watch TV together, a funny show that makes us laugh out loud. When it's bedtime, Daniel and Lily brush their teeth. They get into bed with their favorite storybooks. Daniel reads about space and planets, his eyes full of curiosity. Lily reads a fairy tale about a princess and a dragon, her face full of wonder. When the kids are asleep, I go to my room. I make a cup of tea and relax on the bed. The tea is warm in my hands, and the room feels peaceful. Sometimes, I call my mother to talk about family. Other times, I call my friend, and we laugh about little things. Finally, I turn off the lights, close my eyes, and fall asleep, ready for a new day tomorrow. And that's how my day comes to an end. It's not always perfect, but it's full of small, beautiful moments. A warm hug from my kids, a kind smile from my husband, a quiet cup of tea. These are the things that make my life feel rich and happy. Thank you for spending this day with me. I hope you enjoyed this little journey through my home and my heart. Take care, stay happy, and I'll see you again very soon. Goodbye, my friends.